our cheese garlic bread. It's all ready and it's nice and crunchy, as you can see. Hello, assalamualikum, sasriyakaal, kemcho, mahjama, kasakai, marhaba. Welcome to Danish's kitchen vlog. So today we're going to be making recipe, a quick, easy breakfast recipe, or you can have it as a snack as well. It is the garlic cheese bread. Amazing. It looks amazing. It's so simple to make and it doesn't even take long. So let's have a look what ingredients are required to make garlic cheese bread. So the first thing that we need is the garlic. Same again with the coriander. I'm going to cut the coriander into small pieces. I'm going to add half a teaspoon oregano. So now we're going to add 6 tablespoons of butter. We'll mix it now. So now we'll grab a bread, cheese on top of it. So we got one bread, got cheese on it, and the other bread, we're going to spread the butter and the garlic, just like that. And we put on top of it, the clear side, just like that. So we're going to put our cheese bread onto the pan here. So we're going to make sure the spread size is going to be at the bottom. And on the clear side, we're going to add some more cheese. On top of this, we're going to spread some more on top of it. We're going to flip it. Ooh, that looks amazing. So now we're going to cut it. Nice, crunchy, cheesy. So, alhamdulillah, as you can see, our cheese garlic bread, it's all ready and it's nice and crunchy, as you can see. So, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I've added the Facebook and Instagram link down in the description below, so do join me on my Facebook and Instagram account. So all I'm going to say for now is take care and